Hello model friends, today I want to show you a new model from the company NuNu BMW M8 GTE. Finally, this box is on my table. I've been waiting for the release of this model since last year. Before unboxing, let me share with you some update at my workbench. I want to show you a new lighting installation. This is a reading lamp from the company BenQ. As you can see, this lamp gives excellent lighting over the old work surface. I will describe shortly its functionality. It has a touch ring for switch it on and off. With a short finger touch I can turn it off and turn it on. There is also a dimmer that can change the light brightness. By pressing the dimmer button, you can enter to the light temperature mode. You can set up the light from warm yellow to cold white. Again pressing it and I can control the brightness. Turn off and turn on again. The lamp also has two automatic modes. You need to touch the ring about 2 seconds. Green light shows that digital mode is activated. This mode is suitable to read from the screen or e-book. The brightness will be adjusted to optimal level automatically. If you touch the ring for another 2 seconds, the color will change to orange. This mode is suitable to read traditional paper books. Brightness will also be selected automatically, based on the environment. Just a little rotate the dimmer and light returns to manual mode. The lamp is always in a stable position and can be flexibly adjusted, up and down. Rotate around the axis. The lantern moves into any direction. The light doesn't flicker and gives a light to white surface. That is very convenient. More info you can find in the links in the description to the video. Okay, we are coming back to the box. Here you can see images of the finished model, number codes for paints, and what's inside the box. Detail upset, we leave it to the end of the review. Body, the front of body. Here is support, it has to be removed. Imitation of locks, a large number of air ducts. Rear view without bumper. Runner A. This is a large piece of bottom part. Diffusers are quite thin. Rear axle element. Also there is a dashboard part. It has some tumblers. Doors and air duct tube that looks like Eiffel Tower. And pilot seat. It was runner A. Runner B. Interior parts. This is interior tube. It contains electronic blocks. I think it will be better to do this separately for painting reason. Roll bar parts, 5 pieces. Body seals and rear bumper. Suspension parts and door handles. Runner C with small parts. Here are pedals, steering wheel, rear view mirrors, shock absorbers, radiator grills, discs and caliper brakes are made in one part. Dashboard with a think mark. Runner D. rear wing details, air intakes, front frame, runner with chrome-plated parts. Here are reflectors of headlights and glasses of rear-view mirrors. Wheel discs, all four are identical. Tires, cone-shaped slicks made of soft material. The seam is not in the center and on the side. The mesh made of flexible material. I think we will not use it. Transparent parts. Windows are given as separate parts. There is a lot of fasten bolts around the window perimeter. Air ducts in the rear window are opened. Assembly instructions. Step 1 is assembly of the chassis parts. Here you can see a list of the necessary paints, Mr. Hobby. Step 2 is a rear axle assembly. Step 3 is an assembly of interior details. Interior tube requires masking and painting with several colors. A pilot seat with seat belts, which are given as decals. They can be replaced by detailed one from the detail upset. Step 4 assembly dashboard. Step 5 roll bar assembly and installing it into interior. Step 6 connection chassis and interior, also installation of the air duct. Step 7 wheel installation. Step 8 body preparations. Body seals and rear bumper are installed separately. Step 9 is also bodywork. Step 10 installation of lighting, assembly of the radiator grille. Step 11 work with windows. The edges of the window are suggested to do with decals. Step 12 installing exterior parts. These are headlights, rear view mirrors, as well as the assembly of the rear wing. Here you can see a template for which you can trim the grid for the front of the body. Step 14 is final, body and chassis, and installing several antennas. Next page is color schemes for the car with number 24 and 25. For our assembly, the livery will be chosen at number 25. On this page, the list of parts and runners. Now let's look at decals. Here we see 4 sheets of decals. Sheet with decals with matte coating. Sheet with black decals, also a matte surface. Sheet with decals BMW Motorsport. Decals with sponsor logos and other little things. Now it's time to unbox detail upset. This is the main etching plate. There are various meshes, safety nets, brake discs, and belt parts. They look very big. For example, here are belt parts for Audi R8. Black belt and antenna. Second etching plate. It's twice thick as the main etching fret. metal sticker and template for its cutting. Decal on the steering wheel and the instrument panel. They differ from the original one with carbon pattern. Glossy carbon fiber patterns. There is checkers and regular carbon pattern. Another sheet of carbon. And two more carbon sheets. A lot of them. Instruction. In this picture, the decaling scheme on the bottom and diffusers. Air ducts mesh and brake discs. Seat belts assembly. Application of metal foil as thermal insulation. Installing a steering switch. Installing carbon on door cards. Internal air duct must be fully wrapped in carbon. Mesh on the back of the body. Front lines and frame get carbon. Side windows from outside are also with carbon decal. A few additions to the exterior. The rear wing is completed with metal parts from the detail upset instead of plastic parts. Looks like it's all. Well, let's start building BMW M8.
you.